Diversity tool. My experience in installing the window film or the solar window cover to block out some of the light and the heat. Definitely good. Take your measure and this is a razor blade with a handle on it. I call it a cardboard cutter. Something you can trim with a carpenter's knife. And one of the problems that one of the people I worked for had was before he called me, he said he had cut up his film so much he had to go buy some more. It was getting expensive, so he called me. And I was trying to explain to him, don't cut the film first. Find some cardboard or some plastic and pre-cut. This is just construction paper. And depending on your windows, everybody got different style windows, different type windows, some big, some small. The smaller windows, I told him to make a template out of cardboard. Not only that, take and cut some plastic, the same shape as your window, and simply practice with the plastic. Stick it up there, see how it fits. If it's nice and snug, then you're good. If you need to make adjustment, cut another piece and start over. But I would use practice pieces first with a cardboard or plastic or both to see if this is going to fit. Good idea, very simple. You can do this. It does not take a long time. It's just a simple money-saving trick that I came up with. I did this with my friend's store. After he wasted money, he thought, well, I should have called you the first place. But now he knows. And I did the same thing for myself. I did my measurements. I did my practice sheets. I laid everything out. Make sure I went to each window and had them all lined out. And when it was time to put them in, they all fit. I did very little trimming. This worked fine. Diversity tool. DIY window film installation. This is how I did it.